everybody, it's Nicole at Cravings, and today my video is actually going to be on more of a comparison between two similar products. So these are both by the company Halo. This is the Halo Bassinest Glide and the Halo Bassinest Premiere. So oftentimes, obviously people come in looking for a bassinet, see these, go, what's the difference between the two? So there's a fairly significant price jump from one to the other, so just determining whether or not the extra bells and whistles of the Premiere are what you want or worth it for you. So I'm just going to run through the differences because they're both a really great product. So similarities, first of all. So obviously bassinet size, so this is meant to be for kind of that first 3 months of baby's life. So once baby can roll over, starts pushing themselves up off the mattress, they should come out of a bassinet and go into a crib. So it's going to be for that first 3 months typically, and it's meant to be something that's in your room right beside your bed. So really easy to get to baby for nighttime feeds and that kind of thing. Now you can kind of see the bases of them look a little bit different, but that's the stability. So the one that's the crossed base is the Premiere, and then this is the Glide. So it's meant to kind of be able to go under your bed. So really you need to have a bed that's at least somewhat elevated off the ground so that the feet can either slide under or kind of rest underneath the bed so that you can bring baby really close to you without having them like right in bed with you. So they both have this really nice mesh border around here for proper airflow, breathability, not overheating. They both have the mattresses that come out with a removable cover, so for easy cleaning. They're kind of that nice peanut shape. You can buy sheets, extra sheets for them as well. So that's the same thing on this one too. You can add a waterproof mattress pad as well onto both of them. They both have the drop side, so this is kind of one of the big features of this particular bassinet. So when this is going to be the side that's going to be closest to you in bed, so I'm kind of on the back side of it right now. But on either side, there's buttons that you press that unlocks it. And so now this can come down and then pop back up. So if you're in bed with this right beside you and you need to kind of grab baby out and bring them to you or roll baby back in, then when that's unlocked, you can simply just kind of push that down and make it a little bit easier to get baby in and out. Once it comes back up, it locks again, so it's secure. So you have to just disengage that each time. So both of them do that. They both have that feature. So very simple. And they have little pockets on the side, so that's another similarity. They both height adjust, so this is kind of one of the lower settings. They go actually quite high, so if you've had a C-section, that's really nice that you don't have to really bend over to get baby in and out of the bassinet. So they both height adjust. I think that's pretty much most of the similarities between them. So now the differences. So the Premiere is really about like being able to kind of move it without moving the whole thing. So you can see, like I said, the crisscross base is fairly heavy. It creates a lot of stability for it. And so then you can move this around kind of 360 degrees. You can turn this, so if you got a tight space and it's right by your bed, you can kind of move it out of the way so you can get in and out of bed easier. So it gives you a lot of maneuverability in that sense. It also has a control panel on the front here. And so what you get with that control panel is a light, like a night light that will shine in on baby so you can see, a floor light to shine down so you're not tripping over it. Some vibration in the mattress, so in the pad underneath here you can set some vibration on there just to help soothe baby a little bit. And it also has like a white noise kind of thing, so it can play integrated into it, that soothing white noise sound, lullaby, that kind of thing. So the Glide does not have any of those extra bells and whistles, but it still does the basics of what the Bassinest Premiere does. Now if you want to move this, if you're in bed and you want to move this closer to you, you have to pull it. Part does not swivel like that one. So you just grab this handle, you pull it towards you, and then push it back. So essentially it. So instead of having the ability to just kind of move it and swing it around, you pull and the whole thing moves towards you or away from you. And then again, it doesn't have this panel, so it doesn't have the vibration or the lights or anything like that. So if that's not something that you feel is important, you just want a more basic bassinet with, you know, a nice mesh airflow, this cool drop side feature, which is really nice, then you can go with the Glide. If you like the bells and whistles, you know, the light's really nice to have, vibration, some babies really respond well to that, and just that more freedom of movement, then the Premiere would be the better option for you. So this is the Halo Bassinest, Glide, and Premiere, both available in store and online at shopcravings.ca. Feel free to pop in, have a look. We'd be happy to talk to you about them if you want some more information. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.